Welcome to Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Today, we're going to make some air-fried lemon pepper buffalo wings.
Hi, I'm Eric Roberts, and you're cooking with Frankie and Meatballs.
Frankie Meatball, is that you?
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball on the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Lemon peppered wings. But before we get into the recipe, I just want to thank my man Millard for inviting me over.
Thank you.
To teach him how to make some wings. I said, Henry, what do you like? The wing or the leg?
It's a wing. What do you like, the leg or the wing, Henry?
I always like getting whole wings because I feel when you get wings that are already cut, somebody's already cut it and it's more process. It's more hands that's touched your ingredients. I feel like Frankie Meatball says, the fresher the better. The more hands that touch it, the less fresh I feel it is. So when you cut wings, you know, we have joints. Not that kind of joints. So you want to spread your wing out and you feel the joint. Feel that joint right there.
Okay.
Feel the joint?
Mm-hmm.
Just take your knife, go right down the joint. Same thing with that, feel that right there.
Okay.
And then you guys are just gonna, boom, nice and easy. I'll put that to the side. You wanna try that?
Sure. All right. Feeling joints, not that kind of joint.
That's only one of these chops.
Oh, it definitely cuts better further back.
When you hold a knife, pinch up here, and put your 3 fingers right there. This way you have more control. This is kind of, just pinch, 3 fingers right there. You're more, never go do that, you get a red finger from Chef Ann, you know what I mean? So we're going to prepare the wings, cook the wings, and then we're going to make our sauce.
Okay.
Okay, so with the wings, we're going to do, you got to get your lemon pepper. It's 2.5 tablespoons of lemon pepper. So where is our spoons?
There's your table.
Oh, that's fancy, I like that. Reminds me kind of like Star Trek, don't it?
It is. High tech.
So whenever you're doing your seasonings, do it to the side.
Okay.
Or if you
Not
throw
over
it,
the food.
Right, because if you put too much in, and there you go, it's too much, you know what I mean? See if it overflows or misses, you know what I'm saying? So do it to the side.
Live long and prosper. It's about half-ish.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Huh?
2 teaspoons of oil.
Teaspoon.
I'll let you do that.
With the high-end teaspoon bottle.
That was,
Whoop, don't do it over there.
it
See?
was balsamic vinegar. And I was like, oh, this is a nice bottle. I guess we'll put some more on it.
I like it.
We got the oil. We got the lemon pepper. Now comes the salt. So you could go, I'll put that much in, or you can measure it. But me, the lemon pepper, to me, the lemon pepper, it also has salt in it.
Okay.
Pre-made seasonings have a lot of salt. That's why I'm really not a big fan of them. So just throw a couple
Well,
pinches.
and at my age, my doctor would be happy with not having a lot of salt.
But then just mix it. Make sure all the wings, we want them nice and coated.
Okay.
Just mix them up. And you can put your oven on 200 just to keep them nice and warm. So when you're cooking your wings, you can keep them warm before you coat them. They look nice and coated, huh?
Yeah, I mean, not a fur coat, but yeah, they got coats on. They coated.
A lemon coat.
Lemon coat?
Lemon coat. Air fryers, they come in all different shapes, sizes, just like,
Yeah, hello.
So anyway, you get your basket or whatever you put it on. Don't put your wings on top of the wings because you want that air to really fry it. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Hence the air fryer. That joke, right? Who cares, right? But anyway, you want to spray it with some kind of cooking spray. You got that cooking spray?
Here it is.
Why, thank you. Look at that. He's a magician. You got any, could you pull any rabbits out of your sleeve?
I can pull something out of something else.
Oh, it's a hat. That's
Yes,
what it
sir.
is. A hat. Where did I get the sleeve from?
I don't know. I'm not even wearing sleeves.
I'm beltless.
No, she's not just another notch on the old belt.
Don't even wear a belt.
fellas.
Very nicey nice.
Does it matter how much?
Yeah, just coat it.
Okay.
And just grab the wings, put them really nice next to each other, you know what I mean?
Make sure they're friends.
Yeah, let them get acquainted, you know? This is the flat, that's the drum. Hey, you doing? So halfway through the cooking process, you're gonna cook it for 20 minutes total on 360. It has your air fryer, they usually have a wing button, you know what I mean? So halfway through it, which would be 10 minutes, you're gonna take it out, flip them, and stick it in for the next 10 minutes.
Sounds good to me.
So that's pretty much what you want your wings to look like.
Okay. No overlap.
Wait, no, because then they're going to stick together and they're not going to really come crispy. You want them crispy. I got a little space. I'll throw another one in there. You know what? There's too many drumsticks. I like the flats.
I like the flats.
All right, so you get your bowl, boom, to the side, and then you put it in. We're gonna get everything ready for the sauce, okay? So we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 cups of honey.
Okay.
So I would say about up to there.
Okay.
Sometimes you don't have a 3/4 cup,
Which we don't.
you use your rye, you know what I'm saying? 1/4 cup of hot sauce. I like Frank's Red Hot, but you could use any hot sauce you really want. We need a zest of a lemon. So you get your microplaner and just kind of zest it. I know it's good if you make garlic parm wings.
Yes.
Do your garlic on one of these.
Really?
Oh, yeah. It melts awesome with the butter.
I've seen
Because
people.
look how it comes, you know?
Oh, okay. I've seen people slice garlic with the razor blade. I always want to try it.
I think that was in a movie.
It was in a
right?
movie,
Yeah,
yeah.
it was in a movie.
He used a razor and he used to slice it so thin that it used to liquefy in the pan with just a little oil. It's a very good system.
Me and Will go way back, right?
Way back.
Our kids used to play hockey together.
Yes. And they did up until a year ago. We actually coached together too.
Back when we won the championship.
We
Remember
did
that
win
with
a
Jason?
championship. Jason and Dan. That was a fun year.
Yeah, it was.
Somewhere we got a picture of the entire team in the penalty box. It's still one of my greatest photos. Every time it comes up, I'm like, that's such a cool photo.
It's been 10 minutes.
Yes.
We're gonna pull our wings out, flip them, and then stick them back in. You got your zest, you get your lemon, you need the juice.
The juice is loose.
Some cilantro. You just wanna grab a bunch. I cut it at the top and just bunch it up. I mean, you wanna pick all the leaves off. Yeah.
I got
Do
time.
my guess.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that.
You heard what she just said, right? So you bunch it up, push it up against your knife, right? Then you want your knife right there.
Sometimes you get a little skin in there.
We have everything for our sauce. We're gonna go to the stove while the wings finish cooking. Throw in your 3 tablespoons of butter. You'll see it will start to melt right away.
Okay.
Now that the butter is melted, we're gonna go ahead and throw in the hot sauce. That's gonna cool things off a little bit. But we're gonna mix that together. Nice and well married. Then you wanna throw in your honey. Don't drop it all in. Pour some in, and then you wanna whisk it. Go ahead and pour some more in. And whisk. The reason why, if you put all your honey in right now, it's just gonna be real hard to whisk and have it come together.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's gonna just be a nice glop, and you work smart, not hard. You know what I mean?
I got you.
So little at a time, whisk, little at a time, whisk. Turn the heat up just a little bit. And
Okay.
we're gonna bring it to a low boil. And
Okay.
then we're gonna simmer it for about 10 minutes to 12. So now that it's starting to bubble and boil on the sides, I'm going to go ahead and lower it to a real nice low, nice simmer low, so where it could just bubble up and simmer. You want to simmer it for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
The sauce has been simmering for 10 minutes. I guess a little longer than that. But look at this color. This color is amazing. Now, like I said, you could freestyle with it. You could put some chipotle powder to give it a nice little smoky taste. You could throw some garlic in it. I think that will go good with the lemon pepper. The chipotle powder, not so much with the lemon pepper, but hey, you want to try it, because I would. So now we're going to shut this off and remove it off the heat. We're going to stir in our lemon juice.
So is there a reason you stir it in versus just putting it in and dump it all in and just let it go?
I like it because it mixes it as you're dropping it in. I think it's like more...
Gets in?
It's a thorough mix, more of a thorough mix. Rather than just drop it all in, now it's all sitting in one place, you know what I'm saying? Right. So now put the lemon zest, it's all clumping together, so I'm just going to hit it with the whisk, break it all up.
Okay.
And that's that. And then we'll just wait until our wings are done and we'll manage it.
Nice.
Wow, man, what a trip, huh?
What a trip. It was intense.
So,
in a fun way.
Yeah, very nice. You learn how to cook chicken wings.
Did. Learn how to cut chicken wings, how to hold the knife correctly.
So, wings are cooked.
Mm-hmm.
Our sauce is done.
Yep.
Now there's only 2 more things to do. Well, 3. Toss them, plate them, eat them.
I like the third one.
Yeah. So what we did, guys, is the wings that were keeping warm in the oven, we took them back out, threw them with the wings that just got done, put another minute on the air fryer, and just get yourself a nice bowl. The clean one. We cleaned it out. It's not raw chicken. You want to open the wings? Or pull the wings out?
Yep.
Wow, look at that, huh? Look at that, huh?
Yeah?
Nice.
Very good.
Did you just see that? Forget about it. God, dump them bad boys in.
Don't remember it. Oh.
Remember what?
You said forget about it, so I said don't remember it.
Oh, I forgot about it too. Boy, oh boy. Those are beautiful. Now, throw all your sauce on there. Look at that.
Don't be stingy.
Now, just get it all out. Now you can toss these any way you want. You can use your tongs. After it's mixed up, get yourself a nice bowl, dish, whatever you call it. I gotta let him do something over here, you know?
I'm good.
So if you're doing a little dish, you put them in a little dish, you eat them. But usually when you do this, it makes about, how many wings we said? About 20 wings?
I think we're right around 20, 25 wings.
There we go. So now to make it nice, I never had cilantro on wings, but I'm sure it's going to be good. Wise man once said, if you cannot eat it, do not put it on the plate.
If you're gonna put something on the plate, make sure you can eat it.
Wow, you ready to dig in or what?
I am, and these look amazingly good.
Well, I'm not shy. I'm going to grab one of this.
Right. Go.
Dip in.
Look, I touched one that ate a different one. Don't tell
Cheers.
me. Thank you.
Ooh.
They're really good. The lemon is, and the honey go well together.
And one doesn't overpower the other. It's like a perfect mix. Mm-hmm. And the air fryer wings, nice and crispy, right? You can't tell they were air fried, right?
No, you would not know.
What do you think? Is it a winner?
Very good. Very good.
If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification button so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Check us out on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on TikTok. And don't forget my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. Get for everything from the forefathers to the band Mothers of Live. I'm telling you, I gotta shut this camera off because I gotta go finish these wings. Shoot me down.
Yep.
Let's go. Until next time. Forget about it, eh?
It's a Frankie Meatball production.